Asim joins us from Chandigarh. I believe we have Ashish from Lucknow, and Anirban also joins us from Kolkata. Anirban, I'll come to you. City of Joy, anyway, doesn't need too much to celebrate, but this is going to be another occasion that will add to all the excitement and fever there.
Exactly. So, Nikhil, right now, the people over here are all gone crazy because it's the consecutive time India has clinched the World Cup 2024 and the flag is waving higher and higher. And right now, the people over here are all happy because in this 2023, in the World Cup final, India has faced loss in this ground, and right now they have clinched once again. And the people over here are all happy. It's just the beginning of the celebration, and it will go on and on through the night. But what makes you happy?
India! I am happy because I am holding the flag right now, and we are proud that India has lifted the World Cup for the 2 consecutive times, and in total they have lifted it 3 times, which no nation has done yet, and we are proud today. The whole of India is going to celebrate the whole night, and this night will be remembered forever in our life.
Well, so the white ball team, this is the white ball team has done brilliant so far because 2023 World Cup final, 2024 T20 World Cup champion, after that Champions Trophy, and this is 2026.
Yeah, see, first of all, try to understand this is the very important time in the world scenario. There is a war and there is a play. There is a bomb and there is a cricket. There is a missile and there is a bat. And this is the flag. I can see you. The winning team, 2024, T20, 2025, women's, then 2026, again T20. India is the Vishwaguru. It is the solution. War is not the solution. Cricket is the solution.
Well, so whistle are blowing, the flags are waving high, and right now the people over here are all gone crazy because they said the fans of Kolkata have said that India is the Vishwaguru, and right now India is the most favorite in the world right now in cricket, and that's why we have seen that Abhishek Sharma, what we have seen that he has set for it for the finals, and he had done it in the finals. Sanju Samson is consistent throughout from the 3-4 game last. So right now the team is consistent, and the people are all waiting for again another championship, another trophies in the near future. Over to you, Nikhil.
Okay, Anirban, absolutely love the energy that we always get us from Kolkata, and I think the line so far amongst all the fan interaction has been from the gentleman there. He said, in the time of war, that's the quote he came up with, war is not the solution, cricket is the solution. I think that's the perfect line for a day like today where India have defended their crown. And look at the number of people that turned up to cheer the men in blue at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. We'll also take you live to Lucknow. I know people there love their cricket too. Ashish joins us live from Lucknow. Ashish, what are the fans there telling you?
Hazratganj area, and they are just waving a flag and celebrating this movement after winning in India this World Cup, because they just wanted it for a long time. This World Cup should be on.
सर, आज हम बहुत ज्यादा गर्वान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आज तक कोई भी टीम T20 वर्ल्ड कप को 2 बार लगातार नहीं जीत पाई थी, लेकिन कोई नहीं कर पाता वो भारतीय।
बहुत कुछ हम लोग इंडिया की जीत पे, ये आवाज पाकिस्तान में जानी चाहिए।
आप बताइए, आप बच्चे के साथ आए।
ये तो न्यूजीलैंड चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में हराया, टेस्ट चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में इंडिया को हराया था, ये उसका बदला लिया इंडिया ने।
भैया, इसके लिए संजू सैमसंग सबसे बड़ा नाम है, जो कमबैक कराया संजू सैमसंग ने इंडिया को। वेल प्लेड संजू सैमसंग, वेल प्लेड। ऑल लव यू टू इंडिया, शाबाश।
Yeah, you can see the firecrackers. You can see here in Hazratganj area where the celebration is going on, and the people who are just celebrating here in this moment, because this time This is the biggest day for the people of India, for the people of Lucknow, and you can see also Holi celebration is also being done here, and this is a color. You can see that everyone here, they are just celebrating this moment after winning in India this World Cup, because which was very important for everyone who is residing in India. They very special for this time, and this where I am standing has been literally choked now. The people have been reached here and celebrating this moment with their children, with their family, everybody who's here. They are just celebrating this.
I want to tell a whole nation that this is the victory of whole nation. The people of 140 crore Indians. The win of this is the victory of
India has well performed. India will win the Olympics gold medal also next year. This you can see, this visual shows that how the people are happy here and they are just celebrating this movement in Hajratganj area of Lucknow with color, with firecrackers, and with this smile which you can see around me. The people are here and they are just want to capture this moment in their history, and this is what this picture which shows that how the people are happy.
ये होली आज हम लोग मना रहे हैं, ये नया भारत है, ये उनके मुंह पे भी तमाचा है जो कुछ लोग कह रहे थे कि पनौती स्टेडियम है, ये नया भारत है, भारत माता की जय।
Yeah, I just want to request my camera person to show you this celebration in the sky, which you can see that's how the celebration is going on here in capital state of Uttar Pradesh in Lucknow, where everybody just celebrating this moment here after winning in India of this World Cup T20, and this is what these feelings, these emotions are showing the people here that how they are happy in this time because they were waiting, and New Zealand and India and the interesting match was here.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, इंडिया टीम ने पटक करके न्यूजीलैंड को धूल चटाई है और हमारे अभिषेक शर्मा, हमारे संजू सैमसन, मजा आ गया एकदम। बूम बूम बुमरा, भारत माता की जय, वंदे जय।
Yeah, you can see this picture. That's the colors also. The Holi is being celebrated here. रंग उड़ाकर सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे? So these are the visual which shows that how people are happy and dancing here.
आपका रंग हमें अच्छा लगा, आप लोगों की होली हमको अच्छा लगा, हाँ आप लोगों की हमको इनवाइस अच्छी लगी, आप लोग का अंदाज अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारा कहने का मतलब है आप लोग हमेशा ऊपर रहें, अच्छी बात है।
Yeah, of course. I just want to show you this celebration.
Thank you so much for those pictures from Lucknow. Absolutely euphoric, the crowd there. We're loving every bit that we are seeing from across India, and keeping in with that, going across different parts of the country. We've also got Asim joining us from Chandigarh, I believe. Asim, we've seen the energy in Kolkata, we've seen the energy in Ahmedabad, Lucknow also right up there. What have you got for us from Chandigarh?
Well, I'm in Chandigarh Sector 22 as the entire nation is jubilant over the India's World Cup win. Here in Chandigarh, you can see the scenes. People will have already have the cup in, and they came long time ago in the evening. They're saying that India will be winning the cup, and you can see the scenes of jubilation here. And they are all, this is the energy over here in Chandigarh, and the people are basically so happy that India has categorically won this World Cup for the second time in succession, or the third time, but the second time in succession.
Sir, I want to say one thing, that history is not repeated, history is defeated. We have defeated New Zealand, we have taken our revenge, and the pari of...
आप वर्ल्ड कप लेके आए पहले ही घर से, तो आपको यकीन था?
सर यकीन है हैट्रिक होनी है इंडिया की। 2007, आपका 2024 और ये 2026 हैट्रिक हो रहा है सर।
ये तो पूरा कंफर्म था, 101% था सर।
आज अभिषेक शर्मा भी चल गया।
बिल्कुल चले सर, सारे प्लेयरों ने अच्छा सपोर्ट करा सर, सारे प्लेयरों ने।
सर शिवम
बड़ा टफ बोला जा रहा था, लेकिन वन साइडेड कर दिया इंडिया ने।
सर जी हमने पहले ही बोला था, पाजी के साथ हम खड़े थे, हमने बोला था 160 170 पे न्यूजीलैंड आउट हो जाएगा।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे भारतीय टीम को, भारतीय फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
India not only repeating the history, defeating the history, and one-sided match. India.
भारत ने बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट जीता है, दूसरी बार लगातार वर्ल्ड कप जीता है।
इसी खुशी में आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ कि इंडिया टीम को हमारी तरफ से, चंडीगढ़ की तरफ से बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई हो।
So you're in Chandigarh as the entire nation is jubilant over this World Cup victory. Here in Chandigarh also similar scenarios. Sometime back there was a drum beats over here. People were dancing all over. But now also a lot of people are here on the streets and they're very happy with the performance that Indian team gave and the World Cup victory that India has clinched today from New Zealand.
Thank you so much for that, Asim, as well as Ashish, Anirban, Siddharth, all of our reporters who joined us live from different parts of the country. Absolutely lovely to see folks out on the streets celebrating. And as most of them were telling us, the celebrations have just started. It's going to be a long, long night. The party is going to continue.